Hello everyone, JT9. So putting the boat in and actually waiting for the wife. She's putting the truck away for me. See, I told you I had a trophy wife. So she puts the truck away and will come down over yonder and I'll pick her up and we'll go fishing. So I got a couple minutes and I'm just thinking I'm all over, great products, great customer service, a great business or a great company as a whole. But let me ask you, what is your opinion or on the customer service? So if there's a product that you really, really like, but their customer service is sort of lousy, let's just say that they mess something up, or I don't know, the shipping's too slow, or whatever that you don't like customer service wise, or hey, let's just say that you ask them a question and it takes them 2 days to answer you, something like that. So is that product still going to be purchased from you because of you like it so much, or could their customer service run you off? And I don't know, in my opinion, I guess I tend to be or want to be a very customer service oriented person, meaning when I'm spending my money on a product and my time with the business or at a company and so forth, I think that it should be a whole big picture, a whole big ball of wax of great customer service. They respond quickly. Their shipping is good. Their packaging is good. It's not loose and all rattled and leaking when you get it. It's and then the product is a really good product. Then that's one that I continue to purchase again from, right? So, but I was thinking, are there products that you buy that because you like them so much, but their customer service sort of sucks? So is that anything that you run into? Just interested. You guys leave comments down below. And she's looking at me, so I got to pick her up, and I'm gonna have to set this down. See y'all. Everybody have a good day. Leave a comment for me. Thanks.